perfect warp preparation process, even with the shortest warps, is the basis for satisfying the enormous demands made on modern looms and for achieving the ambitious quality goals of today's world market. In this context, perfect warp beams and shorter warp lengths are required, a trend toward optimum values in terms of productivity, flexibility and precision during warping. The Novomatic offers you all these features: highest productivity along with considerable flexibility and high-quality workmanship. During the warping process, the prepared separating cords for the lease and the sizing separation are automatically threaded into the lease and the sizing separation. The screen can be used for an easy and quick input of the data for the warping process. An exact adjustment of the separating rods at the end of the master section ensures a precise yarn separation for all the subsequent bands. A patented and laser-controlled warp section build-up system guarantees identical band circumferences and section carrier trolley feeds without any correcting intermediate stops. A high productivity, especially when processing a large number of warp bands, requires a fast and efficient automatic system for the yarn separation. The special control of the leasing units results in fully automatic and high-speed operating sequences during the insertion of the separating cords and during the lease formation. Up to 10 separating cords for the lease and the sizing separation can be inserted. The stable and positively guided leasing reeds and warping blades ensure a perfect shed formation. An additional optical yarn monitoring device guarantees that every yarn end is placed in the correct spacing, even when processing hairy yarns. Short sample warps or production warps can be produced at warping speeds up to 1,000 meters per minute. With this drum size, it is possible to manufacture warp lengths which can be wound onto a warp beam with up to 800 millimeters flange diameter. The Novomatic offers an efficient operation even when producing minimum bandwidths and when using a small number of yarn packages. It is possible to warp up to 720 bands. The preparations for the beaming process start immediately after the last band has been warped. A waxing device can optionally be supplied for warps which are not sized. Beaming speeds of up to 200 meters per minute can be reached. The automatic warper Novomatic was developed for the manufacture of short and production warps. The sophisticated automatic system ensures a high level of flexibility, thus offering an extremely efficient production of warps with many bands and long warp lengths. The Novomatic can process a wide range of yarn materials, from fine multifilaments over silk yarns and monofilaments up to coarse woolen yarns, thus being a guarantee of success.